Crash investigation of Tesla, Carvana is in hot water in Illinois, and it's Splitsville for Stellantis and GAC over a Jeep joint venture. Good morning, welcome to First Shift. I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. We first start with Carvana as its license gets suspended again in Illinois. It's the second time in 2 months. The state says it's because Carvana was not transferring titles within 20 days of sale nor issuing Illinois temporary registrations to Illinois buyers. Instead, the state says Carvana was issuing temporary registrations from different states outside of Illinois. Illinois suspended Carvana's license in May after customer complaints, but it was given permission to resume sales shortly after. Carvana has faced similar scrutiny in other states over titling and registration issues. You may be overpaying for your electric vehicle loan, according to Startup Tenant. The company's co-founder says it's because the marketplace is overpricing electric vehicle loans. Alex Legal says his company can save EV borrowers more than $200 a month based on its EV depreciation model. The model uses data that predates the pandemic and outliers in the automotive market. He adds the company also matches customers with investors and lenders willing to offer better EV financing deals because of a climate-friendly mindset. Turning to Tesla, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is opening a special investigation into a deadly crash that involves a 2021 Tesla Model Y and a motorcyclist. Media reports say a motorcyclist was killed on July 7th after being hit by the Tesla on the Riverside Freeway in California. Since 2016, NHTSA has opened 37 special investigations of crashes involving Tesla vehicles where advanced driver assistance systems such as autopilot were suspected of being in use. Toyota says it has plans to work with allied automakers next year to build electric vehicles meant for transporting goods in Asia. Toyota says it will work with mini vehicle specialists Daihatsu and Suzuki Motor to develop small electric commercial vans and light-duty fuel cell electric trucks. The vehicles will be used to transport goods between Tokyo and a region near Japan. It also says the models produced would promote the widespread use of electrified vehicles. Around 580 vehicles will be built. Celanta says it is terminating its joint venture with Chinese car maker GAC, which produces Jeep vehicles. GAC agreed to the partnership in 2010 with Fiat Chrysler, which later merged with PSA to form Stellantis. The move comes after Stellantis failed in its attempt to take control over the joint venture. Stellantis says it's looking to reshuffle its strategy in the country as part of a broader simplification of its global structure. Volkswagen's ID4 is now rolling off the assembly line at the company's plant in Chattanooga, and chairman of the Volkswagen brand, Thomas Schaefer, visited to get a first-hand look. Until this, the ID4 was produced in Germany and China. The factory employs 4,000 people, but the plan is to hire about 1,000 more this year. And the hope is supply chain issues will improve so output can as well.
But now it is a bit of a light at the horizon for the second half of the year. We are cautiously optimistic that we can ramp everything up as planned. We're also trying globally to ramp back to normal numbers, see where the system is struggling. We have also supply chain issues in terms of capacity on logistics, shift work and so on. So it's been a struggle, but as I said, cautiously optimistic for the second half of the year, and we are focusing specifically on the electric vehicles and give that priority because that needs to go through now.
Besides the Vehicle Assembly Center, the Chattanooga location is also home to Volkswagen's North American Battery Engineering Lab. It focuses on EV battery testing and extreme climate conditions. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.